Reading decimal position on a number line. All right. And now this is getting crazy. So this is into hundredths, because look what's going on. They've taken each these 10. This is 5.1 to 5.2, and they split that up into 10 spots. So let me show you what this is going to look like. If we make a number line here. All right. They've done 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like this. Okay, this is the number of spots. So what is each one of these? This is actually 5.11, 5.12, 5.13 by hundredths. Okay, so they've now this is inching closer. I'll show you this actually works out. 5.14, 5.15, 5.16, 5.17, 5.18. I just wrote those on the bottom just to give myself more room. 5.19 and 5.2. So you can see that's how it's all laid out, and they have a decimal right here. Therefore, this is 5.19. Okay, it's 1/100th less than that point. So let's try and evaluate it again. So remember, in this case, we've got it 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, this is 7.51, 7.52, 7.53, and 7.54. We've got between 3 and 3.1. This is a little easier. Well, actually, maybe not. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is not 3.1. Remember, this is 3.01. 3.02, 03, 04, 05, 06. So this is 3.06.